Hi friends, this is a short video of my Mark City that I recently got myself from one of the track and trail stores that's kind of nearby our locality. Just wanted to show you the bicycle actually. It came for around 8,500 rupees, 8,500, and I must tell you that this is a very nice cycle. This is a very nice bike to ride. The cruise quality is great, and the ride is also kind of very effortless. I'll show you the cycle more closely. The graphics is kind of minimal, although it's still tasteful, and it kind of gives the bike more of a stylish commuter look, if I may say. There's Mark City logo in some places. There's Mark City logo in some places. They call this iBike. I'm not sure exactly why. This is what you call kind of a hybrid bicycle. So it's somewhere between a mountain bike and a road bike with a thinner tire. This tire width is somewhere in between. Mine has a 19-inch frame and 26-inch wheel size. So as I said, this is actually a great cycle. When it comes to the ride quality, I have not been riding much of top quality bikes, so I'm not sure how even more expensive bikes are like, but this one I must say it's very good, and I think it's also suitable for long rides. The seat you can self adjust. There is this arrangement, two-piece arrangement, using which you can adjust the seat. I am about 6 feet tall, just a little bit more than 6 feet, so the seat is kind of set high, and it's I think also recommended that you ride the bicycle in a position which is kind of just a little bit forward leaning. So here goes. Very nice cycle. If you're on top of the cycle and you're riding the cycle and the roads are not very bad, you will not really feel like coming down. You'll feel like riding it for hours. Unfortunately, where I live, the roads are kind of congested, so I cannot like pick up very high speeds with this cycle. But I really wish if I lived in a locality which had more open roads and with less of traffic, so that I could ride the cycle much faster. Here the chances are very slim actually, or maybe I have to go and ride in the early morning or very late at night. I haven't done yet so, but done so yet actually. But yes, I do really love the cycle, and I wanted you to show you the same, and also just like tell you about how much I love this one. I really love this one. From my childhood, like many of us, I had this wish of a good bicycle, and I think this one fits the bill. This one is really good. If you get yourself one, I think you will not regret. You would love the ride very much. Thank you.